1, 2, 3.
Today, 12th December 2023, has become an important day. We meet together today, especially for two purposes. First of all, I have decided to institute Muivah Entrepreneurship Award. Today is the first award I have instituted in a very modest manner. But the objective is very grand. The objective is to promote entrepreneurship in Ukhrul district. We have awarded today as many as 8 categories. We have given them some cash incentive as well as certificates. The purpose, of course, is to promote, encourage entrepreneurship. I have realized that entrepreneurs are the key to transformation of Ukhrul and our Tangkhul society. By God's grace, Tangkhul people have lots of educated people, be it in politics, lawyers, engineers, chartered accountant, architect, IAS, IPS, MCS, MPS, doctors. But our Achilles heel is economic development. That is our Achilles heel. So I want to address the economic conditions of Ukhrul district. With this objective in view, we have selected successful entrepreneurs in Ukhrul. But this year, we have selected only under 44 Assembly constituency. However, the successful entrepreneurs are from irrespective of political affiliation. We did not recognize the political affiliation, but it is purely based on merit. The successful entrepreneurs, whether in poultry farming, piggery farming, horticulture, agriculture, artisanship, and even beekeeping, 8 categories we have selected. And I am happy that as many as 57 candidates were there. Out of 57 candidates, we finally narrowed down to 8. Among the 57, these 8 entrepreneurs were the most successful in their respective field. That is the objective. And this year, it is the first Entrepreneurship Award. I plan that next year I'll give slightly bigger cash incentive. And this will be of a permanent feature. That is my vision. And through this entrepreneurship, I hope that there will be some economic changes, transformation in Ukhrul district. That is my aims and objective, and also my dream. Today also happened to be Advent Christmas. We are all Christians, so observing Advent Christmas is part and parcel of the Christian tradition and convention. So to commemorate the birth of Jesus, we have observed today Advent Christmas, because on the Christmas day, 25 December, it will be difficult to gather people because everybody has to be at home with their families and loved ones. So these are the 2 main events of today's function. And of course, finally, I had always wanted to express my gratitude to all my well-wishers and supporters. So over a simple dinner, I would like to show my gratitude to all my well-wishers.